Oh my god.
Yo, dip your hand in there, make some gloves.
We're actually doing this. Alright, so I'm gonna go with I'm just
Uh-oh.
clutch kick again?
Hit with that bump!
Oh!
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, well today's the day. We're blowing up the motor in the E36. Well, hopefully blowing it up. That's the plan. Something to replace the motor oil with while we drive this car and make it blow up. So I've already seen someone do maple syrup, coffee, baby oil, WD-40, and then other stuff. We were originally gonna do something with macaroni and cheese. Then we decided we might want to try something that's just like out of curiosity instead of just knowing it's not gonna work. Like something that might actually not even blow it. I don't know. We'll see. The motor's just the cheap little 4-cylinder. It's only worth like $100. And I'm pulling it out to put in my M52. So I gotta get it out of there. And if I'm only getting like $100 for it, I'd rather do something cool and try something that I've always wanted to try. Alright, I just had a brainstorm. I'm hitting Home Depot and I'm getting paint. I'm gonna do it with paint instead of motor oil. Got the grub, Oh yeah. So I decided to go with house paint. I just thought it would be most practical because it's kind of like thick like oil. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm curious to see. My estimate is that it'll probably work pretty good, but it's definitely gonna overheat. After all the water evaporates in the paint, it's gonna be too thick and it's gonna overheat for sure. I guess that just leaves us with taking the old oil out of the car and then filling her up with paint. So I'm gonna put on some jack stands and drain this oil out. Bugs think they can just come in this house for free, bro. You get it? That's Kennedy, bro. Little Kennedy.
Right at the corner, he's smart.
He ain't that smart.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, he did it himself for the one time.
Just let him do the own.
Yeah, let him do it himself. DIY, baby.
He's kind of smart.
Yo, little Kennedy. Got my oil ready right here. Mixing her up a little bit. We're starting from the pad. And we're just gonna go cruising for a nice sunset drive right now. So
It's beautiful, bro. Bye, have a wonderful time.
bye, have a wonderful day.
What color is it?
Today we went with some flat white. Is it white?
Yeah.
Why would they put red up here if it's white? So we're gonna get paint all over the car. Look how full that thing is. Oh my god.
Yo, dip your hand in there, make some gloves.
We're actually doing this. Alright, so I'm gonna go with I don't know how much this is, one whole thing.
Yo, it's so thick it's not even going down the funnel fast enough.
Oh shit.
Bro, you're painting our driveway already?
Oh,
You're still dripping it. What are you?
I was going with the white. Oh my gosh. Should we go more? Look at that, dude. Look how beautiful that is. Just
Yo,
simple reasons why I choose to use paint over
I think I'm gonna
motor oil.
grab Mike and toss him in there.
You mean Lil Kennedy? Dude, I'm just sending it, bro.
Peace out, little dude.
There, Lil Kennedy. Alright, dude. I think that'll do it. Alright, dude. It's time to take the new whip for a spin, bro. Also, the battery's dead, so we got a bump start down the driveway, but take it for a rip. This scrape's so hot, bro.
Later.
Alright.
Yep.
I don't even want to start.
Yep.
Alright, bro. Let's see what she runs. Nothing.
Keep that shit on. Oh my god. Let's get in the car and then decide we need fire extinguishers. I was giving it a guess so it wouldn't fucking die.
Well, this thing's done to it. Already.
Oh my god.
We're not gonna make it far.
drop it in gear.
Turn it around. No, I can't. There's no way. Alright, guys. Well, my honest review.
Alright, give me your review.
How's
Yo, we're back on it. Oh my. You almost killed me, bro.
just gotta warm up.
Oh my god.
Honest review. I don't really like it. It doesn't have much torque. We're about to die out.
Stay on that shit.
Done. Floored it. Done. Go around through.
Hope so.
We just fucked ourselves.
Yo, check out this truck though.
Yeah. Do we bump starting?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is full throttle. Yeah, there we go.
Yo, once it works, it's like through. Uh-oh. Hit with that bump. Oh! That shit ninja chucked me, bro.
I'm good.
I got this shit, bro. Oh my god!
Oh, it's done so now.
Drop it, drop it.
Oh, it just locked.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
That lasted about maybe 200 feet before it's too thick to turn over. What the fuck? Yeah, how's the oil looking, bro?
It's looking white.
What the fuck? I would say we failed, but I mean, I didn't know what to expect, so I guess we didn't. But oh yeah, dude, look at all that cooked ass paint on top. Well, I mean, I guess that answers our question. That paint does not work as motor oil. Tick, 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 tick. Hey, that's a sick ass beat.
I think a reverse bumps will work.
Alright. I had it when I was like stomping it in first gear, like 9,000 RPMs. Second I let off, it fucking was donezo. No getting back. Reverse bump start, eh?
Keep that shit. Oh.
I was floored. That was a huge fail because the paint did not last long at all. We literally made it to the neighborhood over and that's it. Well, I mean, that was it. I was expecting way more. What were you expecting from paint? We just had to push this thing in the garage. That's one thing we didn't even like calculate into the plan. Was that once we build the motor, we had to somehow get in the garage and we just pushed it. Whew. Man, not fun. I just finished editing this video and I realized I didn't really do a good outro, so I thought I'd come back. Kind of give you guys like also a sneak peek of where I'm at because I also film videos pretty far ahead. So this video is about a week old, maybe a week and a half old. So I thought it'd be cool just to insert like a little sneak peek for what's to come for the videos. Also, a lot of you guys are asking about the moped. The moped is literally, it's just right here, you know? It's dusty as could be. It needs to be ridden in some wheelies, but if you guys want to see the moped, leave a thumbs up because I went pretty crazy on today's stuff. Look how this thing is just completely stripped. It's just getting down to the bare minimum. Hit a like and subscribe so you can follow along with the build, and I'll see you guys in the next one.